Most Excel users completely ignore curly braces, and that's a huge mistake. Because in modern Excel, those tiny symbols can generate multiple dates instantly, sort data by multiple columns in one move, and even return custom results most people don't know are possible. If you want to unlock serious Excel power with just one simple concept, this is the video you don't want to miss. Okay, let's jump in. Want to see a quick Excel trick that instantly sets you apart? Curly braces create array constants, and they're more powerful than most users realize. Type this. Start with an equals sign that tells Excel you're entering a formula. Open curly braces. Type the numbers separated by commas. Each number represents a value in the array. Close the curly braces, and press Enter. Excel spills the numbers across columns. Now try this, equals sign, open curly braces, and type the numbers separated by semicolons. Semicolons tell Excel to move to the next row. Close curly braces, and press Enter. Excel now spills the values down the rows. Here's the golden rule to remember. Commas control columns, semicolons control rows. Let's sort by multiple criteria by using curly braces. Imagine you manage a retail sales report for an electronics store. Your table includes product name, state, and total sales. Now your manager says, sort the report alphabetically by product, and within each product, show the highest sales first. Most users would go to the Data tab, then sort by product, and click OK. Then sort again by sales. That's 2 manual steps. And every time the data changes, you repeat the process. But with modern Excel, you can do this dynamically in one formula. Now let's type the formula together. Start with equals, then type sort. Open the parenthesis. First argument, select the entire data range A2 to C15. This tells Excel what data we want to sort. Add a comma. Second argument, open curly braces, and type 1,3, then close the braces. This means, first sort by column 1, then by column 3. Add another comma. Third argument, open curly braces again, and type 1, -1, then close the braces. Here's what that controls. 1 means ascending order A to Z, and -1 means descending order largest to smallest. So the full formula looks like this. Now press Enter. Excel instantly sorts the table, first by product alphabetically, then within each product, by total sales from highest to lowest. Now let's take this to a professional level. Imagine you're building a financial dashboard, and you need the quarter start dates for 2026. Most users would write 4 separate formulas, one for each quarter, or drag a formula across cells. But modern Excel lets you do this in a single, elegant move. Type equals, then date. Enter 2026, followed by a comma. Now open curly braces, and type 1, 4, 7, and 10 separated by commas. Then close the braces. Add another comma, type 1 for the first day of the month, and close the parenthesis. Press Enter. Instantly, Excel spills 4 results: January 1st, 2026, April 1st, 2026, July 1st, 2026, and October 1st, 2026. Here's what makes this powerful. Normally, the date function expects 1 month's value. But by inserting it, you're passing an array of months all at once. Excel processes each value simultaneously, and returns multiple results dynamically. If you want the results to spill vertically instead of horizontally, simply replace the commas inside the curly braces with semicolons. Press Enter, and now the quarter start dates spill down the rows instead of across columns. Let's add multiple custom messages with XLOOKUP. Imagine you're managing a retail store chain and need to quickly find an employee's department and hourly wage. Normally, if the employee isn't in your records, Excel just throws a generic "not found." Let's make it smarter, cleaner, and more professional. With XLOOKUP and curly braces, you can return 2 custom messages at once. Start with an equals sign, and type XLOOKUP. Select your lookup value, then select the lookup array that is our employee ID column. Select the return array. Here I want to return department and hourly wage columns. Inside curly braces, type your custom messages. Close the formula, and press enter. Now change the lookup employee ID. This ID is not in the table. Result, unknown department and unknown wage. Now let's calculate total revenue without using a single helper column. Instead of multiplying each row manually, we'll let Excel handle the entire calculation in one clean formula. Start with equals, then sum. Inside the parentheses, select the rate range B2 to B10, add an asterisk, and then select the hours range C2 to C10. Your final formula should look like this. Press enter. Excel instantly multiplies each corresponding row, rate multiples by hours, and then adds all the results together in one step. Excel is performing an array calculation internally, processing multiple values at once instead of one cell at a time. If this video made you see Excel differently, like this video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for smarter Excel tips. And comment below, which example impressed you the most?